Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about some problem that related to the sum of AP. Here problem number 16. If the sum of 8 term of an AP is 64 and the sum of 19 term is 361, find the sum of n term. Now here let us suppose that first term is A and common difference is D. As you know that sum of nth term Sn is equal to n by 2 bracket में 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and another form also Sn equal to n by 2 bracket में a plus l, where a is the first term and l is the last term. But in this case last term are not given, so that you use the formula Sn equal to n by 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now sum of 8 term is 64. Here set 8 by 2, 2a plus 8 minus 1 into d equal to 64. And this is 4, and here divided by 4 16, and 2a plus 7d is equal to this. And 19 term, sum of 19 terms 361, so that yes 19 is equal to 19 by 2, 2a plus 19 minus 1 into d is equal to 361, and this comes here. This is in multiply, and 19 is equal divide. If you divide 19 to the 361, 19 and multiply 2, that is equal to 38, and 2a plus 18d. Now by 1 and 2 we subtract 1 from 2, 2a cancel, and 18d minus 7d, 11d, and 38 minus 16 is equal to 22, so that d is equal to 2. Now by 1, here a equal to, here 16 minus 7 into d equal to 2, 14 equal to 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1, so that we have calculated the sum of n terms. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a, putting the value of a here 1, and n minus 1 into d equal to 2, so that this is a 2n minus 2, 2 cancel, and also 2 and 2 cancel, n square, so that sum of n terms of this series is n square. Now question number 17. If the sum of n, 2n and 3n terms of AP be S1, S2 and S3, it means that let us suppose that first term equal to A and common difference equal to D. Here sum of n term equal to S1 is equal to Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this is 1, and sum of 2n term, that is equal to S2, S2n, 2n by 2, and 2n minus 1, here 2 cancel, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d, this is a second equation. And S3 the sum of 3n terms, yes 3n terms, 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d equal to 3. This is a third equation. We have to show that S3 is equal to 3 S2 minus S1, S3 equal to 3 S2 minus S1, and such type of problems we choose the complicated term, so that we choose the from right hand side 3 S2 minus S1 and 3 S2, putting the value of S2 here and S1 here. Now we comes common n by 2 here, n by n, and n by 2 here, so that multiply 2 to the 4a into 2n minus 1 into d minus plus n minus 1 into d here, and this is 3n by 2, and here in this case 4a minus 2a, that is 2a, and here 2 to the 4a minus 4, 2 to the 4n 4n and here also equal to 4 to here 4a minus 2a and 2 to the 4a minus 2, and this is a minus n and minus plus 1. Here 4n minus 1 is equal to 3n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 2a, that is 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d, and this is a S3, so that this is the left hand side and proved. Now we take the question number 11. Now question number 18, find the maximum sum of AP 30, 27, 24, 21, 18 here. Find the maximum sum of the AP. In this case, AP is 30, 27, 24, 21, 18. In this case, first term equal to A, this is equal to 30, and common difference (27 minus 30), this is equal to minus 3, 24 minus 27, this is equal to minus 3. So that in this case, if we take the sum of this, after that term become negative, so that in this case find the maximum sum of AP, and it means that first of all we calculate Tn. Let us suppose that Tn greater than equal to 0. Here in this case Tn greater than equal to 0, it means that A plus n minus 1 into d greater than equal to 0. Now A equal to 30 plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 3 greater than equal to 0. It means that here 30 minus 3n plus 3 greater than equal to 0. It means that this is 33 greater than equal to 3n. It means that n less than equal to 11. In this case, n less than equal to 11. Any value of n less than 11, it means that less than equal to 11. It means that Tn greater than 0. Tn greater than 0. Now n less than 11, it means that value of n equal to 10, 9, 8, 7. But we calculate the maximum sum, so that value of n is equal to here 10. Value of n is equal to here 10, so that we calculate S10 equal to sum of 10 terms, that is equal to n by 2 and 10 by 2 ब्रैकेट में 2a इक्वल टू 30 प्लस n minus 1 10 minus 1 into b equal to minus 3, that is equal to 5, and this is equal to 60, and this is not 9 minus 27, here minus 27 in this case, so that 5 into 10 minus 7, that is 3, and 5 minus 2, 3, this is equal to 165. Now maximum sum of given a p is, now maximum sum of given AP equal to 165. This is our answer, because after that is a 10th term. Here after that the number will become to negative. Now maximum sum of given AP is 165, because after that terms become negative and sum also decreases. In general we see here 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3, 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10th term. That is the sum of this is 165. It asks 11 terms, that is also 165. It may be possible to ask me find the sum of 11 terms, that is also 65. And after that this is this 3 minus and minus 3. After that minus 3, minus 6, minus 3, 0 minus 3, minus 3, minus 0, minus 3, and if you move in forward directions, that sums come. If comes after that sums come to less than 165 here, so that the maximum sum of this series is this. As you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, this is an integer and go on in the infinite, so that if you calculate the sum of this, that is also infinite, because number of terms is infinite. But in this case the common difference is negative, so that the sum of this positive term is this, and after that is a negative, and so that value, sum of that value also comes less than 165. Now question number 19, find the least value of n such that 2, 5, 8, 11 to n terms, that is greater than equal to 200. In this case we calculate the how many terms, a number of terms, that sum is greater than 200 or equal to 200. In this case, let us suppose that Sn equal to greater than equal to 200, so that n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d greater than equal to 200. 2 comes here, 400, and n 2 to the 4, and here common difference is 3. 3n minus 3. So that 3n minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 3n and multiply this 3n square and minus n. This comes here minus 400. So that 3n square plus n minus 400 greater than equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equations. So that we study about the quadratic equations in before videos. Now d equal to b square minus 4ac. We calculate b. Here b ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. B equal to 1 and 4. A equal to 3 and c equal to minus 400. Calculate this. This is a plus, so that 4,801. It means that the value of d greater than 0, so that roots are real, and in that case x minus alpha x minus beta greater than 0. Now we calculate the value of alpha beta of this, as we are the mathematical student, so that we cannot use the calculator or any other instrument. We calculate here now alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Putting the value of this, and this comes now here near about 69 point something. If you take the negative, so that it is minus 70 by 6. If you take positive, this is equal to 69 here 69 plus and minus 1, 68 by 6, 68 by 6 here, and so that 11.6 negative and this is a positive. As you know that value of n is integer, that is a number of terms, so that this comes here. Required value of n 12. After that 12, 13, 14. So that required value of n equal to 12. I will check it. If we calculate the value, sum of 12 terms, this is 222, and sum of 11 terms, this is 187. And according to this question, value of n greater than equal to 200, so that this is impossible, so that this is a possible least terms. Here, if you take 13 terms, that also comes the more than this, and this asks me greater than equal to 200, so that required value of n equal to 12. Now we discuss another terms here. Now question number 20. A student taking a test consisting of 10 questions is told that each question after the first is worth 2 marks more than the preceding question. It means that क्रमशः क्वेश्चन के मार्क दो अंक बढ़ता जाता है जो है, यदि पहला 1 नंबर है तो 1 अंक आए तो दूसरा 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 5 ऐसे बढ़ रहा है. If the third question of the test is 5 mark, here question number and mark that is equal to 5 marks. Let us suppose that mark of first question is x, then second is x plus 2, third x plus 4. That is 5 marks are given in the question, so that x plus 4 is equal to 5, so that x is equal to 1 mark. It means that question number 1 has 1 mark, 2 has 1, 2, 3 mark, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9. The marks are in the increasing order. Now, what is the maximum score that the student can obtain by attempting a question? In this case, the students attempt only 8 questions, and mark of first question is 1, and mark of 10th question is here 19. So that for maximum scoring, always student try to attempt those questions which have more marks, so that question number 10th is in 19 mark, so that student attempt the question number 10th, 9th, 11th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5, so that maximum score series 19, 17, 15, 13, 8 term and 8 question, so that sum of these mark 8 by 2 to A and 8 minus 1 into D. D is 17 minus 19 minus 2, 15 minus 17 minus 2, so that this is 38 and 8 minus 7, 7 to the 14, that is 24, and this is a 4, that is a 96 mark, so that student gain the maximum mark 96 marks. Now next question, if S be the sum of 2n plus 1 terms of AP, S be the sum of 2n plus 1 of AP, let us suppose that series A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D up to 2n plus 1 terms, so that S is the sum of 2n plus 1 terms, and S is the S 2n plus 1, and 2n plus 1 by 2, 2A plus 2n plus 1 minus 1 into D. This is cancelled, 2ND and 2A, 2 common, that 2 cancelled, so that 2n plus 1 and A plus ND. This is value of S, that is a sum of 2n plus 1 terms. This is equation number 1. Now by question, sequence by alternative term. Here we have shown that alternative terms, as we know that if we make the sequence of AP by taking alternative terms, that is also in AP, so that A plus 2D, A plus 4D, A plus 6D also in AP, and its common difference will be A plus 2D minus A 2D, A plus 4D minus A minus 2D, that is a common difference 2D, so that total terms of this is 2n plus 1. Here we take a pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, so that odd is 3 and even is only 2. In the similar sense, total terms 2n plus 1, so that odd number of terms is n plus 1 and even number of terms will be n, because number of terms of odd is 1 more than even, so that in this case number of terms will be n plus 1, so that S1 be the n plus 1 by 2, 2a plus n plus 1 minus 1 into 2d, because in this case common difference will be 2d, so that n plus 1 and 1 cancel, 2 also common, and remove by 2, so that n plus 1 a plus nd. Now we show that S by S1 equal to this S, and this is S 2n plus 1 a plus nd divided by S1 here n plus 1 and a plus nd, a plus nd and a plus nd remove, 2n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is, I will show that S by S1 equal to 2n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 proof. Now we discuss another problem. If A, B, C, D the first, A the first, third, B the third, and n term respectively of an AP, then prove that sum of n term is this. Now first of all, here let us suppose that AP be A dash plus D dash, A dash plus 2 dash, A dash plus 3D dash. Here we assume in dash form. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 to A dash plus n minus 1 into D dash. This is the sum of n term. First term is A dash and common difference is D dash. Now by question, first term is A and T1 is equal to A. This is A dash is equal to A. Relation first. T3, third term is B. T3 is B. B means A plus 2D dash. First, second, third. So that now B equal to A dash means A plus 2D dash. This comes here B minus A divided by 2, that is a D dash. Now Tn nth term is C. Nth term is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A dash plus N minus 1 into D dash is equal to C. A dash is equal to A here and N minus 1 and D dash comes here, putting this, so that this comes here C minus A and 2 this and B minus A this, N minus 1 equal to, so that N is equal to 2 C minus A by B minus A and this is A plus 1. Now this is a nth value of N. Now we show that, prove that the sum of nth term is this. Sn is equal to N by 2A dash N minus 1 dash. In this case, putting the value of N, A dash and D dash here 1 by 2, and this is the value of N. 2A dash is equal to A here, and N, this is value of N minus 1 into D dash equal to this. Now half 2C minus A by B minus A plus 1, this term is this, and here we this and this cancel, multiply this cancel, this cancel, so that C minus A, 2A plus C minus A, that is C plus A here, and now multiply these two cancel, here C minus A by B minus A plus half this. Now multiply this C minus A, C plus A, C square minus A square, but divided by B minus A, and here C plus A by 2, this is proved here. And next term is this is the sum of nth term is this is the sum of nth term this. Now question number 23. If the mth term of AP is 1 by n and nth term of is 1 by m, then prove that sum of mn term is this. Now let us suppose that first term is A and common difference is D, so that nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. By questions here, mth term Tm is equal to A plus m minus 1 into D is 1 by n, and nth term Tn is equal to A plus m minus 1 D equal to 1 by m. With the help of solve this is the first relation and this is the second relation here. Now solve this, subtracting this, here this is negative and this is also negative, cancel m minus 1 a minus, and after that plus 1, D equal to 1 by n minus 1 by m. We take LCM mn, so that this is n divide m minus n, and here 1 and 1 cancel, m minus m comes here, m minus m, this remove, so that D is equal to 1 by mn. Then by 1 here A equal to 1 by m minus 1 into D, m minus 1, and D is equal to 1 by mn, so that mn divided this m and this is minus m plus 1, cancel, A equal to 1 by mn. Now here value of D and value of A are here, then we prove that sum of element terms is itna SMN is equal to MN by 2 2A plus MN minus 1 into D. Putting the value of A and D here, Mn by 2 2A 1 by Mn minus 1 and D is equal to 1 by Mn 1 by Mn 2 plus Mn minus 1 here, Mn plus 1 divided by Mn and this Mn this remove Mn plus 1 by 2. This is I proved here. Now like and subscribe videos and share with your friends. Thank you.